Whether it's cricket, soccer or football, perfect for any game night or simply relax with your family and friends with this spicy, crispy tofu dish. It turned out absolutely delicious, a great appetizer, a starter, or simply enjoy it with your tea. Keep watching. Welcome to Shine with Shobes. This channel is all about making you shine with my healthy diet and building your emotional strength. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any new updates from me. I'm using organic tofu from Costco. It says firm and the brand is House Food. Simply cut an end and make sure to drain the water completely before pressing the tofu. It's so easy to press tofu at home. Make sure to keep something heavy on top, and I'm going to leave it for an hour. For the spice mix, add in the gram flour, garam masala, red chili powder, roasted cumin powder, little bit of turmeric and tandoori masala. This is going to give some color, black pepper, salt. Give it a good mix. Make sure there are no lumps. Now taste to see if you need to add more salt. Nice and spicy. See how paper towel has soaked up all the water? Now let's cut the tofu block into cubes. It's very easy to cut in cubes, so just watch how I do. And the texture is soft, so make sure you're gentle while cutting. This recipe is great for any veggies. You can bake it in the oven or pan fry. I chose to air fry for less oil. Add it into the spice mix and make sure to coat each piece really well. At this point, add in half juice of lime and drizzle in a little bit of olive oil and make sure to gently coat each piece in the spice mix. Wow, look at the color. Now they are all ready to be air fried. I always preheat the air fryer for 5 minutes. Once done, gently place each piece into the basket. See that it's not crowded and make sure that they have a little space between each piece. And I'm going to air fry them for 6 minutes first and in 2 batches because I have too many pieces. So after 6 minutes, I will be turning each piece and then air fry for another 6 minutes. So in total, it took 12 minutes for me to air fry under 380 Fahrenheit. Wow, these are so amazing. I am so excited the way it turned out. It's crispy from outside and soft inside. That's how it should be. Plate it and garnish with some green onion. Perfect to entertain any day. Share this tandoori chili tofu with your loved ones. I'm gently going to place some toothpick and dip these beauties in a nice, rich, creamy coconut sauce. I am not a fan of tofu, so that's why I created some flavors and made it more interesting, and this turned out absolutely delicious, and I hope you will love this as much as I do too. If you enjoyed this recipe, please share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more such nutritious recipes and don't forget to shine with Shobes.